Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on all the latest beauty tips and product reviews. Today, we're talking about the absolute must-have for all makeup beginners out there, the 12-piece small, medium, and large combination set makeup puff essential. This set is going to change the way you do your makeup forever, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. First of all, let's talk about the variety in this set. With 3 different sizes to choose from, you'll be ready to conquer any makeup look, from a subtle everyday glow to a full glam moment. The small puffs are perfect for precise application, while the medium and large ones are great for blending and buffing out your favorite products. Not only is this set incredibly versatile, but the quality is top-notch. The puffs are made from high-quality materials that are soft and gentle on the skin, ensuring a flawless application every single time. Plus, they're durable and easy to clean, so you can use them over and over again without having to worry about them wearing out. Whether you're a beginner or a makeup pro, having the right tools is essential, and this combination set is the perfect addition to your beauty arsenal. It's an absolute game-changer, and I can't recommend it enough. So, if you're ready to take your makeup game to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the 12-piece small, medium, and large combination set makeup puff essential. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.